What's up, everybody? It's Joey from Clearwater Creations. We're in Peterborough, Ontario today, getting started on a 6-foot Pondless Waterfall renovation. There's an existing waterfall in the back here we're going to be bringing back to life. Let's check it out. This is the site. We have limited access through here, so no machinery on site for this one. We're doing it the old-fashioned way with wheelbarrows and dollies. We got all these nice new stones in here, so we're going to be taking this about halfway, getting rid of everything in that top half and basically rebuilding a new waterfall in this area here, starting from about that area there. Reservoir is going to be in here where we're going to have our pump vault and our aqua blocks and everything set up. Super beautiful existing backdrop here with the existing slope and the garden beds and everything. And they've got this patio here, which obviously they spend a lot of time, and so this waterfall is going to serve as the main focal point for this backyard. So can't wait to see the transformation take place. Let's go. Water's actually gonna flow over that stone there to form the one waterfall, and it's gonna spill over this stone and back and finally into the reservoir here. So that's a nice little touch there. And then we have waterfalls coming in through the back here. There's gonna be a nice turn. There's gonna be a nice turn up in this area with one final waterfall facing the house this way. So everything is looking good. We should have this thing up and running by end of day today. everybody, we have weathered the storms this week. This waterfall is done. Looks awesome, sounds awesome. All it needs is a few plantings to finish it off. But let's show you how this thing turned out. There you have it. Sweet little Pondless Waterfall. These type of waterfalls work so well in all kinds of backyards because they fit in small spaces. So from a financial perspective, they're a lot more affordable for a lot of people, and from a space constraints, they fit in a lot of spaces. So these Pondless Waterfalls are a really popular feature, especially over the last few years. Things super low maintenance in comparison to a pond. Not trying to talk down the pond life at all, but these waterfalls are like the bee's knees. Yeah, plug them in the spring, unplug them in the fall. That's more or less all the maintenance involved in these things. Maybe a little bit of algae here and there, but for the most part, all you do is enjoy these things. Here we go one last time.